I only came here, not because you invited me. I only came to prove to you that I am a man of honor and that those things you are carrying there as gray beards do not signify wisdom, but an empty head. Simply because you are made the chairman of this community, you are smiling. It only shows stupidity. I want you to be very, very careful. Never you send any of those stupid boys to invite me to this your wretched house again, or I will send you to where you belong. Is that understood?
Ibetu, I know you are aware of the saying that if one man cooks for the entire community, the community will finish it in 5 minutes. But when the community cooks for one man, that man can't finish it until he is dead.
But
I sent for you and I'm glad you're here. Please, stop intimidating the youths. Stop making them feel like strangers on their ancestral land.
So you've grown wings. Now you can trade proverbs with me, is it not? I so pity you. Do you know why they call me Agune Chamber? I'm sure you don't. I am in custody of the certificate of existence of everybody in this community, including you and those your stupid youths. And I have the powers to withdraw that certificate at any point in time. So you better warn your youths. If anyone crosses my path, I will withdraw that certificate and I will send that person to oblivion. Is that understood?
Ibet, as the chairman of this community, I want to strongly urge you. Let it be on record that I urge you to desist from your intimidation and harassment of the youth of this community. Please, I have done what I asked you to come for. My message has been passed.
I can see that you are getting carried away because we made you the chairman of the community. I made you and I cannot make you. When you talk of the community, Ibeto is synonymous with the community. So there's no stupid person that will send you to come and give me orders. And I'm warning you for the last time. If you continue like this, I will take that position from you and I will deal with all of you. Don't force me to withdraw your certificate of existence. You don't know that I am the lion in human body. If you do, you will not be doing this nonsense, this rubbish that you're doing. This is the last time I will warn you. Let's go.
So you came here to threaten me? You came here to threaten me with these two rats? Well, I've delivered what the community asked me to deliver. If you like, don't think about it.
Look at you! You're shouting, aye, aye, aye. I told you, don't ever pass through this road except you collect a transit visa from me. If you pass through here again, then you will know what I will kill you. Idiot! You can't do what I
Brother, what happened to you? Who did this to you? What happened to you, brother?
Chief Ibeto. Aye, that man sent boys to beat me up just because I pass through the road they instructed people not to pass.
Brother, wait. You mean Chief Beto did this to you with his boys?
Yes.
God of orphans, where are you?
Hey.
Please, come to our aid and fight for us, please.
Kenna, we go happy God of orphan. Boil water for me to bathe. Oh?
Hey, brother.
Yeah, we go fast.
I'll be right back. I'm coming.
Hey, that good boy. Take it easy now. This is paining me.
Brother, I am taking it easy.
Aye.
I need to massage this thing.
Hey, this man is very wicked. Aye, that man is so wicked. How do you punish him for this?
It shall never be well.
Yes, amen.
God of orphans will make him suffer.
Amen.
He think he has money. He can suppress everyone in this village. You see that his money will vanish one day. I promise you that.
Hey. Oh, this man, they pound me like fufu.
Eh?
Hey, they finished me. Aye.
Oh, brother, this is too much. See, don't worry. I need to go and report this matter to Mazen Bachu and report this case.
Don't. Just let him be, okay? Just let him be.
No, brother. No, brother. He needs to know, please. He needs to know. I need to report this matter in case of tomorrow.
Hey, Jima.
Wait.
Hey, man, no boom.
Do you know why you're be a man, be a man.
That's not be a man. You know, you're able to catch him pants. Ask him be a man.
It's okay.
Hey,
I am helping you. We just calm down. Let me do this.
Hey.
You see that boy, Tubechi? He thought I was joking until I gave him the biggest beating of his life today. You needed to be there.
You see, they always like to challenge their elders. Tubechi, Ifeanyi and Chinedu, they are most stubborn boys we have in this village. But they must learn their lesson. We will teach them a lesson they will not forget in a hurry.
Tubechi, you are lucky. You are lucky that I changed my mind. If not, I would have killed that boy so that he can join his poor late father in his grave.
Imagine after all the warnings and instruction that no one should pass through that road. That the road is meant for me, my family and yours. He does. He's lucky that he was not killed.
You see that beating? Is his last warning. I am the custodian of the certificate of existence of everybody in this community.
But me, the exception.
Of course, we are together. And for him or any other person to pass through that road, they have to approach me and obtain a transit visa. If not,
Madam,
no, first of all, I will make them eat grass like goats. Then after which,
Madam,
which means more money. More money.
money.
But Tobeshi, why didn't you inform us that yesterday that this thing happened so that we attack those men with cutlass? Go Hajajana. Huh?
This is serious. Very, very serious. I still do not understand. How can he send his boys to beat you up like a child? Eh?
My guys, please calm down first, okay? Just calm down.
Tobeshi, don't tell us to calm down. Don't tell us to calm down. I feel like strangling those men. I feel like strangling them to death. Can you imagine? that no one should follow that road except their family. What kind of intimidation is that one?
You cannot do anything to those men. They're richer and bigger than you. It has happened, it has happened. There's nothing we can do. Okay? But these men, they have money. And with their money, they can suppress anyone in this community. Yes, we can't do anything. We can't even retaliate. Those men, they are bigger than us.
Tobe, I am not happy. To be honest with you, I am not happy. See, I wish I can fight them. Okay,
then we talking it here.
How they collect land from the widow and suppress the orphans just because they feel no one can do anything to them.
It's a bad deal.
But very soon, we are going to tell them that who have somebody is better than who have money. Rubbish.
Who do you have? Who do you have?
We have God now, and we have Chinedu. I not seen his mother.
Chinedu, that always talk with Jaja. And I have not seen him jar anybody.
Tobe, very soon.
You keep jarring with your spirit and your mind and your soul.
Very soon, Tobe. Very soon in this village you witness it. No, you watch it.
If I'm you, all this Jaja is waste of time. Once somebody gets me angry, if I'm you, I'll come down. All of them will enter my place.
I think I will try that.
Me?
I don't believe those old men, they're serious about telling people not to pass through that way. Eh?
You know those wicked men? They are serious about it. And I must make sure I report this matter to the chairman of this community.
Bamba. Don't do that one. Because you doing that is bringing more trouble upon trouble to us.
Oma, it will not. I think the chairman needs to know about this. Because they cannot beat my brother just like that and go scot-free. Mbano.
You are very stubborn. If you will listen to me, just allow the sleepy dog lie.
Do you know why you are saying this? Because you did not witness what those men did to my brother. I don't mean you witness it. You will advise me to report to the local government chairman, not even the village chairman. I was not me.
Don't say that. Your brother is calling my brother too. What I am saying is let's just take things slowly. Let's take it easy.
Oma.
I know you are angry. Just calm down.
Oma, forget this, Biko. Forget it.
Calm down.
I'm coming down now. So what are you saying?
Down.
I can't go down. I'm not mad. Don't worry. Leave it. I will go and report them. They are not going to just me. Come, let's go. What are you telling me now?
Go, John.
Kenaya,
Mazi,
are you trying to tell me that Chief Beto actually sent boys to beat Tobichio?
Yes, Mazi. Mazi Mbachu. It was the same road issue that is causing this problem. In Afukwa.
But that's wrong. That road, and the entire village for that matter, belongs to everybody, not just a few. They can't make such decisions on their own. They can't.
Hey, Mazi Ekanjevu maka Ibu onye eziokwu. Ibu onye eziokwu, Mazi. Mazi, please, something needs to be done. These men are making the youths feel like strangers in their father's land. We can't even walk freely again.
You're right. You're right. Something needs to be done. And I think I'm going to do something about it.
Darling.
I'm going to do something about it.
Thank you so much. Mazi, please try your best. try and do something about it. That is why I decided to pay you a visit and lay this complaint. Makaya Karigon is too much for us. Please.
See, this portends a lot of evil for us. But what I will do is I will go to his house. I'll go to Chief Ibeto's house. I'll try and have a talk with him. I'll go and talk with him.
Thank you so much. Hey, if you see what this man did to my brother, eh? Hey!
Mbaju, so you have the guts to walk into my house and spew trash from that thing you call a mouth, right?
Chief Ibeto, I'm not here on my own volition. So calm down. I'm not spoiling for a fight. I'm here as the chairman of the community. And I was sent to tell you to open the Egbelu Road. In case you have forgotten, that is the only road the youths can access the river by to dredge sand. And the sale of that sand is their only source of income.
And who are you to tell us what to do? Mbatu. So, because you are so-called chairman, you think you can order us around, okay? Eh?
I'm talking about chairmanship. You are chairman of who?
I don't know.
Me or Romanus?
God forbid. That can't be me.
Look, money rules if you don't know. You cannot be my chairman. I should be the one ruling you. In case you forget, I am the custodian of the certificate of existence of everybody in the community. And for anybody to pass through that road, he or she must come here to collect a transit visa from me. So you coming here to say nonsense about allowing people to pass and all that, you are just a fool. Now get out.
And go where? I told you the community sent me. What do I go back and tell them? Ibetu, Romanus, this matter has not been resolved. I'm going nowhere.
Oh, you can't go. So you value the people who sent you more than your own self. Now, do you want to live out of your own volition, or you want me to send my boys to throw you out of my house this minute? Choose one.
Ibetu, Romanus, it is obvious both of you have no respect for the office of the chairman.
Mbacho, I will advise you, make use of the door for your own good. Because if you don't leave, by the time you see what you're looking for, maybe the man in the chair will be removed and chair left for you.
Which chair? Both the man and the chair will be removed. Idiot. Get out! Idiot.
Mbaju, are you telling me the truth that Ibeto sent his boys to throw you out of his house?
My brother, I've never been this embarrassed in my life. Not only did he do that, but do you imagine that rat Romanus supported him to do that?
Mbaju, but he made a mistake. Yes, you made a mistake by going to meet him. You can go and see the wife.
The wife, you say? The wife? Why are you talking as if you're not in this community? Eh? Don't you know that Ibeto's wife is as rotten as he is? Don't you know that both of them are birds of a feather, and that is why they flock together? They are peas in a pod. They are both as evil as each other. What am I going to meet that evil woman for? So she can heap more coals on my head? No.
Well, do you see Ibeto and Romanus? They think money is everything. They think with that their money, they can intimidate
or humiliate everybody in this village. It's not possible. Okay, we see.
Can you imagine? You better told me to go and rule MNK people. That I cannot rule him. That I should rule MNK people. That is above my ruling. Just because he feels I don't have as much money as he does. Isn't it? Okwaya?
Well, my brother, you see those men, very soon, they will all die. Because all the villagers are laying curse on them. Those wicked people. Idiots! Kahabo.
Come to think of it, I think you're right. One day, those men will need the help of MNK people. And that day will be here to see that day. Don't worry.
My brother.
Karma always comes around.
I got a ebe onye na-asụ ọdụ ga-edosa ọdụ ya.
It's okay.
The way our husbands are treating the villagers, it is not good at all. Seriously, it is not fair. We need to talk to them, especially your husband.
My husband?
Yes.
Or you mean our husbands? Besides, the way our husbands are treating them is okay because they don't need soft hands at all.
Anne! Hey! Those widows and orphans are the people we're supposed to help. No, you're treating them like a puppet. What is wrong with you, Anne?
That is your own, oh. As for me, they don't belong to my class at all. So, they don't deserve any respect. See, let me tell you, let me advise you. If you need these people to respect you, you have to carry yourself where you belong. Otherwise, they will not even take you as anything.
Respect, you said? You can't earn respect by punishing the people you're supposed to defend, Anne.
That is your own mindset. As for me, those poverty-stinking people are not in my class. They are riffraffs. In fact, I call them barbarians. So, just take your drink. They are not your problem. Just take your drink.
Hey! You will never change. What kind of a woman are you?
Drink.
Great Izuma, father of all wealth and fortune. Great Izuma, father of all wealth and fortune. The great Izuma, father of all wealth and fortune. Ibeto and Romanus. Remember the covenant and promises you made to the great Izuma. Any day you break it, you both will die.
Grandmaster, we will continue to uphold the covenant. Nothing will make us go against it.
The great Izuma does not have mercy when he provoked. Be very careful whatever you do with the villagers.
Grandmaster, all the villagers respect our orders and opinion, except those 3 stubborn boys who have refused to listen to us.
Continue to torture them. Torture those boys. Because their suffering and pain will bring you more wealth and happiness. And also to the village people. And Tony,
Grandmaster,
the great Izuma is not happy with you. You have failed to bring the sacrificial lamb. And you know, the great Izuma will not spare you when the bells rings.
I'm sorry, Grandmaster. My wife is stubborn. She has refused to take the gift from Great Izuma. She wants to open it and know what it is all about. But as soon as possible, Grandmaster, I will soon convince her.
The Great Izuma, Father of all wealth and fortune.
Daddy, those girls are human beings, not animals.
Will you keep quiet? Which human beings are you talking about? They are riffraffs. They are not in your class. Their social status is diametrically opposite to yours. So you don't need to associate with them.
Nancy, your father is right. Ignore those girls. Show them that you're a daughter of a rich man.
So because their parents are poor, therefore I should not treat them well. I should not treat them like my sisters.
Shut up, Nancy! Keep quiet! Your father and your uncle are right. Those people smell of poverty. They will infect you with poverty. And besides, they are not your class.
Mommy, that is totally unacceptable. No! I cannot disconnect myself from my people. Never!
I love them! Then be ready to join them. Be ready to romance with poverty. Idiot! What have you done with it? Okay. We shall see.
Children of this day.
So Chibibe to actually lead because it's on you. He insulted you and Oma. Because we are nothing.
Brother, the insults these men are giving to us in this village is too much. And the elders needs to do something about this.
Kai, this insult is becoming too much. These men are well-to-do. We can't challenge them. That is just it. We can't.
How I wish there is something we can do about this. We can't continue facing this humiliation all the time.
My dear, we can't do anything. We are orphans. We can't challenge these men. The worst part of it is that the youths obey to their opinion. None of them is even ready to challenge them.
Brother, see, if Chifi Beto insult us like this again, I swear I will insult him back without minding his head. I will.
Don't you ever try that. Don't try it at all. Because you will cause more harm. Okay? Let us leave it to God Almighty to fight our battle. Don't worry.
Oh.
God will vindicate us someday. So don't bother yourself.
Ibensi. Rubbish.
We're gonna come again at Ibensi.
No, stick on. Brother, what are you thinking?
Kenna, I am tired. Kenna, I am tired of all these things. I'm tired. I'm just tired of everything. Tired of poverty. Since our parents died, we're just feeding from hand to mouth, suffering. All this rubbish. I'm just tired.
But it's okay. It's okay, brother. I understand how you feel. But Thinking will not solve this problem.
Chief Ibeto and Romanos are another problem that we have. Instead of them to help their people and make them grow, they are busy suffering us. Like we are slaves. What is this? What is happening?
Have you tried to raise this issue to the youth chairman? It might pay him a visit and all this intimidation will stop.
That one. He's even scared of them. Yes. That one no get leave out. He's so scared of them. I think we all have to double our hustle and make money and become somebody in life. That way, people will respect you.
You can't fight these people, they are stronger than you. You can't fight them. You can't fight them.
Are you still talking? Chief Roman, deal with him.
Hey, 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 hey.
You are still talking.
Chief Romanus, hey.
Deal with him and stop talking.
Chief Romanus, Chief Romanus. I will kill your son.
I'll get out from there and kill you.
Hey, hey, Chief Romanus, I will kill your son. You are killing me.
Hey, still have mouth to talk.
Hey,
Still have mouth to talk. Beat him.
Hey, Chief Romanus, I swear to God I will kill your son.
Kill me there now.
Hey, I will kill your son.
Shut up.
I will kill your son. Hey, I will kill your son.
You dare challenge me.
Murder your son.
You dare challenge
Murder
me.
your son.
Nonsense.
Hey,
Nonsense.
Shut up. I will
Digress. I will blow off your head. I will blow off your head.
So it's true that Chief Romanus boys beat you up to like this?
Fine, you see what they did to me. My own plot of land. For my own inheritance.
Hey! Wicked man. God in heaven will punish them.
Amen! These men are very, very wicked and heartless. For doing this.
Honestly, this is becoming so unbearable. How can we continue to live like slaves in our own father's land?
Chaligori, Ezioku. Chaligori. Kemesi.
Aku ja.
Onya wabu ja no nwe. Oh my God. My guy, we are finished.
In fact, the youth leader must hear this. And the youth must intervene on this.
Yes. Hey.
The bitterness.
Wonderful.
Now. This intimidation in this land is too much. We can't allow these men to continue treating us this way.
Chegodi, so because he wants to take away the only land your father left for you, that's why he sent boys to beat you up this way.
My only inheritance, my only right.
The only piece of land my father left for me. That is why they want to take away from me by force. Or the man. No, Mbacheke or the man.
Maya Deba, I think the youth leader need to address this. This nonsense might stop.
Ifeanyi, don't even go there.
Don't even mention Chuka at all, because even the Chuka you are talking about is scared of them. Nobody can challenge those men. You know, youth leader.
We still need to see the youth leader today. We don't have to just start concluding on our own, okay? We need to know the next action to take.
But the truth of the matter is I tried though. No, I tried. If not that they are many, If not that they are many, I'm sure they wouldn't have overpowered me. Open if one or two people. Oh God. I didn't ready Jatolia for Jatolia. You can't even beat one person.
Don't try me, I'll beat you up here.
Tobe Chuku, Nedu. I mean, you guys do not expect me to go and see those chiefs alone. They might end up harming me.
No, you have to go. You're the youth leader. So you have to go and talk on behalf of your people.
Tobe, why are you sounding like you don't know this man in question? Have you forgotten when they gave an order that nobody should pass through Egbelu Road or use the river? And nobody went there that day. And you're asking me to go there alone?
Chuka, just like Tobe said, you have to go. The truth of the matter is that you have to do something. We cannot continue living in our father's land like strangers. The worst part of it is that we can't even talk or move around freely again. You need to do something.
Not only that they took our properties with no mercy, they actually took our land and pushed us away. That is wickedness.
Anyway, Tobe, Nedu, I know exactly what to do. I know what to do.
What is that?
I will go there with some youths of this kingdom. I will go there with excess violence. At least they will know we are serious and we're not happy at all.
No, you're talking. They will also know that we have strong men, strong youth in the village.
I
will go there. We will cause violence.
See, Chuka, I'm ready. Whenever you call me for us to go, Chuka, I'm ready. Because this nonsense is too much.
You go with me. You guys will go with me.
Of course.
And we will cause violence.
Not you guys. You will go. Not you guys.
I will go.
Now I will go with you.
No problem.
I will go with you.
I know what to do.
I'm ready.
I know what to do.
Make him out here.
I know what to do. I will cause violence.
I'm proving
and they will feel it.
What is the meaning of this? What are you doing in my compound?
Chief, my name is Chuka. Yes. And I am the youth leader of this kingdom.
Yes.
And with me here are some of the representatives of the youth of this kingdom.
Yes.
Chief, we have come to tell you to allow us enjoy our father's land in peace.
Yes. Chief, we need our freedom. This is our father's land. We need to enjoy our father's land. Our freedom! Freedom! It's all we need. Exactly. Our freedom. So, you are not scared. You are not afraid. You have the audacity, the temerity to walk into my compound to challenge me?
Chief, nobody is here to challenge you. Just the other day, Chief Romanus ordered his boys to beat Chinedu mercilessly.
Just imagine that.
Chief, we want you to allow us to enjoy our father's land in peace. And that is all.
That is all.
So, you are here with these boys to fight me. Let me warn you. The next time you try this, you will all join your ancestors. Shut up.
So, you're still talking. Do you know why they call me the lion? No, do you know why they call me the lion? Leave this place! Don't worry yourself! Come back! Be back! Can you imagine that? They have the audacity to walk into my compound to threaten me. Next time they come here again, look, shoot them, don't even call me, just kill them. Yes, boss.
Let's go.
Idiots! Let's go.
They are good for nothing.
You need to see how those boys were raining bullets at us. I swear to God, it was just by God's grace that we managed to escape. Eh?
Even when we were there with the youths, they insisted and released bullet.
See, this was the reason I said I wasn't going there alone. Because if I had gone there alone, I swear, those men would have killed me and buried me like I'm a nobody. They would have killed me.
But Chuka, wait, Tobe. Were you not here the day I asked Chuka, whenever he's ready to go, you should let me know? No, whenever. At the end of the day, he didn't call me.
But I didn't see you.
Did you call my number?
I didn't see you.
Did you call my number?
I did not call
you. You didn't call my number. So which one is you didn't see me? You would have called me on the phone. See, come to even think of it. How come all these small boys are terrorizing our village? Because we have a wicked and rich old man in this community.
Huh? Tobe, Nedu, you guys should not worry about it. I know exactly what to do. In fact, I believe the elders know what to do. In fact, come to think of it, I will go and inform the chairman. I think he knows what to do.
You just said it that you know what to do. And you're believing that chairman knows what to do. Who know what to do?
Because they will do something. Huh? It's a collective effort. Somebody will do something.
So you, the youth leader or the chairman, so who is the person that is going to do
what
something?
What I know is that somebody will do something. I will inform him or I inform them, but somebody will do something. That's all I know. Tobe, I have to go. Nedu, I'll see you later.
Tobe, in the show that you have money. No, because I don't understand. He's the youth leader. He knows what to do. Now he knows he will tell the village chairman because he thinks or he believes you know what he will do.
Are you not a human being? Or are you not a youth of this community?
But he didn't call me now.
An Afro-Chan.
If you see what happened today, could you believe that Mbacho with his boys, so-called village boys, confronted me? Yeah. Me, Romanus, that I should return the land I collected from Chinedu.
To Fiakwa? Return Guinea?
Same question you ask. I asked them.
No, wait. What will poor church rats use land for? I mean, land is synonymous with money.
Money.
So, do they have money? Can they buy cement? What would they need the land for? I don't understand.
And I asked them, what will Chinedu, or what can Chinedu do with that land? Can he afford money to build on the land? Okay. Nobody has answers to my question.
I have answer to that. He will go and put a pit latrine there. So when he goes there, caca, or sometimes he will go and pluck all these leaves, caca on top of it, use another leaf to clean bomb and do throw away.
They also accuse us. They say that you and I are not treating the youths well. And I ask them, should I go and break Central Bank to settle them? No, even if they serve me, they do boy for me. Should I do that?
I'm totally confused. Are they saying that we should invite the youths to our houses? Then we'll be giving them breakfast, lunch, dinner? No. What do they want us to do?
They are lazy children.
Are we not good
lazy
in this community? We are magnanimous people in this community. Yes, and after all, what does the youth want? Their downfall is our uprising. When they become poor, we become rich. So, do they have lives? They are useless poor church rats.
Useless and lazy youths.
Honey, please, I want you to stop this attitude of yours towards the widows and the orphans in this village. People are complaining and I'm worried.
Let them go ahead and complain and talk. I don't care. After all, it's a free world. Anybody can talk whatever you want to talk.
Please, return that land to that boy. They said that is the only land his father left for him before he died. Will you please?
Rose, do you know how many of my land they collected when I was struggling? Or do you know how many elders I borrowed money that refused to return it? Even when I made money.
But you don't have to use transfer aggression to those poor orphans and widows. We're supposed to help them, not the other way around.
Rose, you're my wife, my sweetheart. As you can see, I am tired. I need some rest, so I will appreciate it if you can excuse me with these words, please.
Okay, I've heard you. Let's go to the bed, okay? Baby.
I think I'm okay here for now. I will soon meet you. Let's enjoy you.
Let's go to the bed.
Romanus, don't release that land to the boy. If you do, he will sell it and use the money to fight you.
Thank you, Grandmaster. I appreciate it. All thanks to the great Izuma.
The pains of the poor will make you and Ibeto richer. So continue to torture them. Make them suffer. Don't ever give the villagers money. If you do, you both will die.
Grandmaster, we will continue to adhere to your instructions. We shall always obey you. Thanks to the great Izuma.
Anthony, you were supposed to come with the sacrificial lamb. Did she accept the gift?
Yes, Grandmaster. I'm here with piece of cloth, as you instructed.
Step forward and drop it here.
Grandmaster.
The great Izuma,
Father of all wealth and fortune.
Baby, wait though. Are you telling me that girls that fix lashes are prostitutes?
Oh, you don't know? Yeah? So you don't know before?
Wait. Are you saying that if I fix lashes, I am now a prostitute? Eh?
Not just that, you just go your way.
Baby, come on. Don't you know that by the time you make money and you become a big man and I become a big woman too, I will need to fix lashes now so that we look like all those city girls now. Those beautiful and sexy girls.
I don't want. I like you the way you are. I like Mokuku Igbo. Yes. Mokuku Igbo Tokare. Leave it the way you are.
Baby,
I'm not complaining.
That thing is fine, no. It's fine. Oh, babe. Is that not Chief Romanus?
He's the one.
Why is he staring at us like that?
I don't know. That's how he looks at people. Chifanya news, not even Roman news. Let's leave here before he comes here now. I don't know what his problem is. Let's just go. Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Hey, Naya. Good afternoon.
It's a good day.
You're welcome. Thank you. So, is my baby around?
He went to check his trap.
Oh. Has it been long he left?
Not quite long. He just left some minutes ago before you came.
Okay, you know what, Tell him I came to see him, but I'll come back in the evening. Oh?
No problem, I will. If you matters. I'll wait to know. I will tell him, okay?
Hi, pretty. How you doing?
Good afternoon, Chief Romanus.
Good afternoon. Why a pretty girl like you walking in a hot sun? Please, come in, let me drop you.
No, thank you. My house is very close.
Okay. What's your name?
Ifoma.
What a beautiful name for a beautiful queen. You see, queens like you need men like me to take care of them. So?
Well, thank you, but I'm not interested.
Really? Okay, please take this for your upkeeping.
Thank you, sir, but I'm not interested in your money.
What? I know. Hey, let's go.
The way Chief Ibeto and Romanus are intimidating the youths and orphans of this village are quite overwhelming, and we cannot continue to keep quiet. No, not at all.
Do you know, when they will know who I am and why they call me the son of Otogu, it's when they hurt any of the youth in this village, they will know me and know what I will do.
Very sure. Very sure. Those men are something else. Very wicked. But if they try to hurt any person else in this community, we will show them and will make them to face the whole community.
Not even show them. We are
Nonsense.
going to burn all their houses.
Burn them down.
Nonsense people.
Nonsense. The wicked will pay.
Nala.
Nonsense.
Lord, I put my trust in you. Makani bori lanyamo, chimo. Ine kuronya na marekuo nenoa.
Avoid that girl entirely. Stay away from her troubles. You know we don't have anybody to talk for us.
Just have to be careful.
I've heard you, brother. I'll be careful this time around.
You can imagine how we were humiliated, even when we said the truth. You and Oma were tied with a rope for no reason. Just for no reason. Anyway, all thanks to the village chairman, Mr. Mbaju.
I think I will go and thank him.
You don't have to. I've done that already. Yes, I've actually done that already. All you have to do is to stay away from all these people and their troubles. I'm warning you now. Please, oh, please, know I'm saying it.